National Security Advisor, Malam NUHU Ribadu, for hosting this meeting as co-chairman of the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security, ICSES. By doing so, the NSA is maintaining the tradition of alternating the meetings between the INEC headquarters and the Office of the National Security Advisor. I also wish to congratulate all the recently appointed members of ICSES who may be attending this meeting for the first time. This is our third meeting since the last general election. You may recall that we met ahead of the supplementary elections held in April this year and again on 28th April 2023 to review the conduct of the general election. Today, the focus of our meeting is the three off-cycle governorship elections in Bayelsa, Imo, and KOGI states holding on Saturday, 11th November 2023. The three states have 5.4 million registered voters, out of which 5.1 million have collected their permanent voters cards, the PVCs. Eligible voters will vote in 10,510 polling units. However, there are 2 polling units in Bayelsa State and 38 in Imo without registered voters. So election will not hold in these polling units. And the list of all the polling units affected is available from our website and is in your folders for this meeting. Similarly, election results will be collated in 649 registration areas or wards, 56 local government areas, and the 3 state collation centers. This gives us a cumulative figure of 11,178 voting and collation locations to deploy security personnel in the 3 states. This is in addition to ensuring a secure environment for the ongoing campaigns and rallies by political parties and candidates, security of voters, the escort of personnel and materials, protection of assets, and general security for all persons with legitimate reason to participate in the election and electoral activities. The 3 states of Bayelsa, Imo, and KOGI are not the easiest states in Nigeria to conduct elections. The difficult geographical terrain and prevailing insecurity are compounded by negative mobilization by political actors, especially since the commencement of campaign in public on 14th July 2023. Our message to politicians is that they should call their candidates and supporters to order. Violence and other undemocratic activities such as vote buying, attack on election officials, and disruption of the electoral process will never be and must never be condoned. However, ultimate responsibility for election security lies with the security agencies. Our message to the security agencies is to take decisive action against perpetrators of electoral violence. This is the surest way to guarantee a safe environment for the peaceful conduct of elections and electoral activities. In doing so, security personnel on electoral duty should remain neutral and committed to the established professional code of conduct and rules of engagement. And we have circulated the revised code of conduct to all of you. So once again, I would like to appreciate the NSA for providing leadership by encouraging coordination and synergy among the security agencies. We will continue to work together to ensure a more secure environment for elections in Nigeria generally. I thank you and God bless.
Thank you. I want to welcome you to our office and also thank the chairman for making it possible, including all the office staff that you have come with. INEC staff, you are welcome. I want to thank you for to honor the invitation as well. members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you, and thank you for making it to this very important meeting. It's probably the second one or even the third one in our preparation for the 3 elections that we are going to have in Bayelsa, KOGI, and Imo State. Mr. Chairman, first we want to thank you. Thank you on behalf of Nigeria and indeed the world at large. You've done extremely well. The elections that you have had or conducted, progressively we are improving and we are getting to where it will meet the standard. We want to thank you for that. Thank all the staff of INEC. Thank the security community. Elections is about the two, INEC and the security. When you come together, that is when we will have election and it will be a credible one. So far, so good. We want to thank you for that. We believe that with the experience that we are continuously gaining, we will only continue to do better. And this is exactly what we are doing. From the side of the security, which I am here representing as co-chair of these elections, we want to assure you that we are getting ready. We are getting prepared. We will work. We will be with you 100%. We will meet the requirements and the standard you will want us to be. It's a lot, and what matters is our own resolve to make sure that we are going to do it and we'll do it very well. You'll find us. We're just like 2 weeks to the election, almost 2 weeks now, and already a lot of work have gone into the preparations, and the relation and interaction with you is also ongoing. We want to assure you that we are working and will be there, fully ready and fully prepared. Nothing as important like giving free and fair election in a democracy. That we can assure you. This government is ready to provide that. Mr. President has given his orders and instructions. He said he will want to see free, fair, credible elections. And this is going to be the first election that is going to be under his watch. He said that we should take this message to INEC and to Nigerians that he's going to be very much supportive, available to support you to make sure that Nigerians will have a free and fair election. And that also to tell everyone, including the politicians, what matters, nothing more important than to have a free and fair election if we want this country to move forward. He's a lifelong Democrat, believed in democracy. He will support it. Already we have seen it. All the requirements that we have put out to him, he has already given the go-ahead. The entire security forces have all our own, what we have taken out to government, have been met. And the rest is for us to deliver. And that one I can assure you, Mr. Chairman, that we are ready. We will be there for you. We want to give assurance to Nigerians that this election will be even better than whatever we have had in the past. This election is going to be free and fair. This election will be without interference. This election is going to be without violence. This election is going to be credible. It's going to be a litmus test for us. 3 important states. One in this part of Nigeria, one in the southeast, and one in the south-south. And we are ready. We will provide what it takes to ensure that we will have a credible election. And we are impressed with the preparation that we have seen from INEC. Two of us will work together. And that's why he is the chairman, I'm the co-chair. And collectively, it is our responsibility to deliver. He has come with a big delegation of INEC. We are here from the security side. And you can see the seriousness and the commitment. Chief of Defense Staff was not even in the country. He purposely made himself available for this one. The Inspector General of Police is here. He also made sure that he got back to be able to be in this our meeting. There is all seriousness, there is all commitment. We want to give you that assurance. Once again, I want to welcome all of you. Thank the media. We will certainly go into our own meeting now, where we are going to continue with the details. And in addition, of course, we have the Minister of Interior who is sitting with us here. Be assured that you have the best that can be delivered. Thank you very much, and God bless you.